Now we can see the basic cellular system here. So why we use a cellular system? So cellular network is used in order to communicate with the people wirelessly. And why it is required wireless and why not with wire? Because wired communication has so many disadvantages. So whenever there are natural hazards and all, so there may be breaking up of the wires, or there may be aging of the wires. So due to these factors, it may be difficult to always lay down new system of wires here. But if we go for the basic cellular system, the communication is wireless. And as the communication is wireless, the common disadvantages which we have in wired network we do not have. And if you see the basic cellular system, what are the components a basic cellular system should have? So the components of basic cellular system consists of a mobile unit and a cell site and a mobile telephone switching office. So we all know what is the purpose of the mobile unit. So the mobile unit is to initiate a call and to communicate a call, and after completing the call we can terminate the call. So any subscriber who needs to communicate requires a mobile unit, and it is at the subscriber premises. And now what a mobile unit should consist of? Now the purpose of the mobile unit is to communicate with the other subscriber. Now when we need to communicate, what we need in the system of mobile unit needs. So in order to capture the voice we need a microphone, and after capturing the voice then the signal has to be modulated. So we need some circuits for modulation purpose. Once the signals are modulated, then the signals needs to be transmitted. Then in order to transmit the signal we need one antenna system. So a mobile unit in a cellular network should consist of a microphone and the circuit which can modulate the signals and demodulate the signals. And after modulating the signals need to be transmitted to the cell site. So in order to transmit we need one transceiver. Okay, we need one transmitter as well as a receiver also. And in order to receive a call we need one receiver. Now after receiving the signal has to be demodulated, and after demodulating the signal, then the signal has to be given to a speaker. So these are the basic components which a mobile unit should consist of. And the other part of the cellular system is a cell site. Now what is meant by a cell site? A cell site is an antenna system in order to receive the calls or the signals from subscribers and transmit the signals to the subscribers, and the information from the subscriber has to be transferred to one central switching office. That is the purpose of the cell site. So what a cell site should consist of means a cell site should consist of an antenna system which can receive the signals from all the subscribers. Now after receiving the signals from all the subscribers, the signals has to be multiplexed, and through wired or wireless network the signals has to be transferred to one central switching office. And similarly the cell site also receives the signals from central switching office. Now it receives the signals and then it also transmits the signals to the other end subscribers also. So a cell site is an antenna system which will receive the information from all the subscribers and transmit the information to all the subscribers. And this cell site, what it should consist of? A cell site should consist of an antenna system and a power subsystem in order to give the power to the antenna subsystem, And for controlling purpose of that particular cell site also, we need some control subsystem, because the antennas needs to be checked always, and the power system need to be checked. So in order to check all these systems, and also it has to be, there may be some modulation process or multiplexing process which has to take place at the cell site. Now in order to do all these purposes, we also need one control subsystem. So, and the other part of the cell system, if you see, it is the switching office. Now what is the purpose of the switching office? It is the central coordination system for any cellular network. And how it becomes a central coordination system means, the system has to receive the information from all the subscribers. It has to receive the information from all the subscribers, and it has to connect the called subscriber. Now for example, if you want, if a subscriber, if a subscriber 1 dials the number of subscriber 2, then initially the call will go from subscriber 1 mobile unit to the cell site, and the information from cell site goes to the central switching office. Now the central switching office will identify the number dialed. Now after identifying the number dialed, it will search where that particular person is present. Now once after identifying that particular, that means it sends the signals to all the other cell sites and scans where the subscriber is present. Now once the subscriber location is identified, then a channel, a voice channel is assigned to the subscriber, and using that particular voice channel, the person will be able to communicate. So like this the process takes place in the central or a basic cellular system.